Ever wondered why credit is such a big deal? Picture this. Credit is like that popular kid in high school that everyone wants to be friends with. It's got the charm, the influence, and, most importantly, the power. Just like having the right connections can open doors for you, having good credit can open up a world of financial possibilities. It's like a golden key that unlocks lower interest rates, higher loan amounts, and even the dream of owning your own home. It's like your financial report card, and let's be honest, who doesn't want straight A's? Credit can be your best friend or your worst enemy. It can either propel you towards your financial goals or drag you down into a quagmire of debt. So just like you wouldn't ignore that popular kid, you can't afford to ignore your credit. Now that we've understood the power of credit, let's dive into the secrets to mastering it. Ever wondered how a three-digit number can hold so much power over your financial life? Well, let's unravel the mystery. This enigmatic number is your credit score, a crucial factor in your economic journey. It's like your financial report card, grading your creditworthiness based on your past behavior. So, how is it calculated? Well, it's a mix of 5 ingredients: payment history, credit utilization, credit history length, new credit, and credit mix. Your payment history holds the most weight, making up about 35% of your score. Next is credit utilization, which is how much of your available credit you're using. The remaining factors are equally important, so don't underestimate them. Why does it matter? Well, a better score can unlock the door to lower interest rates on loans, better credit card offers, and even more favorable terms on insurance policies. So it's worth keeping an eye on. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding your credit score is the first step to financial freedom. Did you know that simply paying your bills on time can significantly boost your credit score? It's true. Timely bill payment is a key element in maintaining and improving your credit. Picture this. You're so engrossed in the season finale of your favorite show that you forget to pay your phone bill. Hilarious, right? Not for your credit score. That little oversight could knock a few points off. So, set those reminders and never miss a bill payment. Ever heard of the term credit utilization ratio? Well, sit tight because you're about to. In the simplest terms, it's the percentage of your available credit that you're currently using. Think of it like a pie, and you're eating a slice. The bigger your slice, the more of your credit you're using. Lenders love smaller slices, meaning a lower credit utilization ratio. Why? Because it shows you're not maxing out your credit and you're managing it well. Remember, a lower credit utilization ratio equals a happier credit score. Did you know that having different types of credit can actually boost your credit score? It's like going to a potluck and only bringing potato salad. Sure, everyone loves a good potato salad, but a variety of dishes makes the event more exciting, doesn't it? The same principle applies to your credit. Having a mix of credit types, like credit cards, auto loans, or a mortgage, shows lenders that you can handle different types of credit responsibly. It's like proving you can make a mean potato salad, but you can also bake a killer lasagna and whip up a refreshing fruit salad. But remember, just like you wouldn't want to bring every dish under the sun to the potluck, you don't want to go crazy applying for different types of credit all at once. It's all about balance and moderation. In the grand buffet of credit, variety is the spice of life. So go ahead, diversify your credit palette. Diversification is not just for your investment portfolio, it's for your credit too. When was the last time you checked your credit report? No, really, think about it. Regular credit report checks are like going to the dentist. It might not be the most exciting thing in the world, but boy, is it important. Imagine one day you're strolling down Wall Street, feeling pretty good about your financial standing, and out of nowhere, you find out there's an error on your credit report. Just like our buddy John, he discovered a $10,000 loan he never took out. After the initial shock, he realized it was an error and got it sorted. But it could have been a disaster. Now, you don't want any nasty surprises, do you? Keeping a regular check on your credit report can help you spot any inconsistencies or errors early on. It's your financial health checkup. Remember, your credit report is like your financial DNA. It tells a story about you. Stay on top of your credit game by regularly checking your credit report. Ready for a rapid-fire round of credit secrets? Let's dive right in. Secret number 6, folks, is all about knowing your rights. Did you know that as a credit holder you're like a superhero with a unique set of powers? You have the right to dispute inaccuracies, negotiate settlements, and even limit who can access your credit report. So flex those muscles and make full use of your rights. Moving swiftly on to secret number 7, the art of credit age. It's not about how old you are, but how long you've had credit. The longer your credit history, the better your score. So, think twice before closing that old credit card account. It could be your credit score's secret best friend. Next up, secret number 8. The magic of credit mix. Showing you can handle different types of credit, like credit cards, car loans, or a mortgage, can boost your score. It's like juggling. The more balls you can keep in the air, the more impressive you look. But remember, only juggle what you can handle. On to secret number 9, which is all about limiting hard inquiries. Each time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry is made, which can ding your score. So, think of it like a game of hide and seek. The less often you're the better for your credit score. Last but not least, secret number 10. The golden rule of being proactive. Always, and I mean always, be on top of your credit game. Monitor your score, dispute errors promptly, and keep your credit utilization low. It's like tending to a garden. With regular care and attention, your credit score will bloom. And just like that, you're 10 steps closer to mastering your credit. So, what's stopping you from becoming a credit master? Is it the fear of the unknown? Or perhaps the lack of understanding? Well, my friend, fear no more. We've just unraveled the 10 game-changing secrets that can help you unleash your financial future. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? First, we stress the importance of understanding credit scores. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about how credit scores work, the better equipped you are to improve yours. Then we moved on to the importance of paying bills on time. This, alone, can significantly boost your credit score. So, no more excuses. Set those reminders and make sure you're never late on a payment again. Third, we delved into the concept of credit utilization ratio. Keep your credit card balances low, and you'll be on your way to a stellar credit score. Next, we talked about diversifying your credit. A mix of credit cards, retail accounts, installment loans, finance company accounts, and mortgage loans can show lenders you're able to handle different types of credit. Then, we discussed the importance of regular credit report checks. It's a simple step, but one that can save you from the pitfalls of identity theft or errors in your report. And finally, we ended with a quick-fire round of secrets 6 to 10. From avoiding maxing out your credit cards to negotiating lower interest rates, these tips could be your secret weapon in the quest for financial freedom. Now that you've got the secrets in your arsenal, the only thing left to do is to put them into action. Take control of your credit, master it, use it to your advantage. This isn't just about improving a number on a report, it's about empowering yourself to make the best financial decisions possible. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Improving your credit score takes time and patience. But with these 10 secrets, you're already 10 steps ahead of the game. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial wisdom. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts today.